Today I am with Baseus WM01 and I will show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. At first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% and also remove the foil that is attached right here to this charging part. You will find here the blue foil. You have to remove it and then just put it correctly. If they will be charged, you will be able to remove them just like that, and these indicators right here will blink on the white on the buff, as you can see. So it means that they are in the pairing mode. You don't have to press anything, they will be just turned automatically to the pairing mode. So right now you have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, enable Bluetooth. Right now just take a look on available devices and after a few seconds they will pop right here. So you can just tap once, click pair, and right now we are connected. As you can see, it was very simple. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.